Okay, now we're going to mix up some Ikonikolor Pro eye gloss clear. It's a 2-to-1 mix with a 30% reduction. Now I'm going to be adding the activator. Then I'm going to let this catalyze for a few minutes, and then I will stir it up, and then I will add the clear in a few minutes. Okay, I've now mixed the two parts together. Part A and Part B are now mixed together. And due to the conditions that we're painting in, the boat is about 90 degrees, so we're going to be using the 1127 slow reducer. I'm going to thin it out 30% with the slow reducer.